Today we're gonna do another movie about the Lenovo P2 and the accessoires. As you can see, this is for the P2. This is just a protective case, a very easy one, a very small one, as thin as possible, as small as possible, so it doesn't make the phone any bigger. Tempered glass to protect the awesome screen, and then a car charger and chargers for in the truck for up to 36 watts. This one is up to 17 watts. Although this phone can handle 24 watts. Let me show you this first, because this one I already had. Here we have a very small and tiny micro USB plug that we plug in the phone. Like so. And now this plug, which is the USB cable, is magnetic. And it's that easy. Take it out, plug it in. It's probably working from a long distance. Plop! Charging. Very easy. I'm very keen on this product. It has two benefits. Three benefits. If it's plugged in like this, and your phone is laying on the table and somebody hits it, it's gonna detach and your phone is not gonna drop on the ground. Second, it's gonna be very easy to connect your phone with this. You don't have to, in the dark, to find the little hole and your micro USB. So very easy. It's also very easy detachable. The most important one, your micro USB slot in your cell phone isn't gonna wear out. It's gonna be brand new. It's never gonna be used. I think this is nice. I ordered a couple more so I can have this in my daily life. One for in the car, the truck, work, home, kitchen, bedroom, whatever. A couple of cables of these. They are very cheap. I link a post in the description. This one is delivered with the phone. This is a micro USB which you plug in your phone, and then you have a normal USB outlet. I have a other movie about this where I use this, because you can use this phone as a power bank, and then you have a normal USB outlet where you can plug in a normal USB cable, and now you can charge any phone. Here we have the rubber case. So let's try. Probably I'm gonna need to cut out this bottom side for my magnetic USB cable wire. Okay, that's a little bit better already on the grip. That's okay for me. Perfect. So we had that. Let's put on the protective glass. Although this one is Gorilla Glass and you don't really need a protector anymore. But I don't have a desk job and my phone is dropping all the time. So, and it's crushed all the time. So let's do this. This glass, it listens as plastic. Dust absorber. You have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. It's not alcohol or whatever, it's just wet. Okay, I think that's clean. Let's take the dry one. That's gonna be one very clean screen. I'm first gonna use the dust absorber. Okay, let's do this. That's actually too small. just too small. It should be a little bit bigger. And it's way too thick. No, I don't like this. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it though. It's way too thick. And on the side it's not sticking. So on the side, now you can see, on top of my thumb, that you just have an opening. And that it simply isn't big enough. See, you can see a little bit of screen here and a little bit of screen there. So, no. Lenovo P2. No. Junk. Does it work? It still works. Feels a little bit different than the original screen, but I don't know if it feels better. We'll see. Together with the protective cover, we're all set. This one strong phone now. Let's open the Belkin Road Rockstar. It can charge up to 2.4 amps every single port. But I think it's gonna stay at 5 volts. And this phone needs a higher voltage, not a higher amperage. Oh, that's with magnets. Some 3M tape, double-sided tape. Some Velcro crap. Let's test. So I have 2 clamps here. This is gonna be for the positive and the negative. We have 5.15 volts. We have 90 milliamps easily, and the voltage is almost not dropping, 5.07. Let's do 2 amps. It's giving 1.74 at 5 volts, so the voltage is not dropping. This port is giving 5.2 volts, was that? 0 amps at the moment. Let's start at 1 amp. 1 amp. 5.2 volts. Almost exactly 1 amp. And it's not dropping. So that's nice. This one is still giving 1.74 amps at 5 volts, so the voltage is not dropping. 4.8, 4.7. So the voltage is dropping, 1.6, 1.66. So the amperage is dropping. So I don't think you can have, I don't have enough loads. I have one more thing to test. 5.13 volts. This one is still working, 5.13 volts, 1 amp. And then this one is turning off. From the moment I have 3 amps. 3 amps. This plug is just turned off. It's done. And when I do 4 amps, the whole plug is stopping. Just switching on and off. I don't know what there is going on, but what happens when I... Well, this is hot, 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 guys. Now we have 5.11 volts and 0.9 amps. 1.3 amps. So not 2.4 amps. It's not 2.4, 2.4, 2.4, 2.4. I'm pretty sure it can't do that. Let's test the single one. The Belkin Boost Up. Car chargers and USB ports. So this has the Belkin green ribbon. Oh, that's directly with the micro USB, which I can't use. Nearly 5 volts, not fully 5 volts. 1 amp, 0.92 amps. The voltage don't drop, so that's great. Whoa! For 2 amps the voltage just drops down to 3.5 and it's only giving 1.2 amps. What did the book say? So 3.4 amps in total. 1.7 amps each port. This port and this port separately. So yeah, okay. It doesn't do 2 amps, clearly. But why doesn't it give just the maximum that it can? 5 volts at 1.7 amps. Charging my phone at half an amp. Yeah, it's at 100%. So it's just a screen that you see. It's for sure not gonna fast charge my phone. Although Lenovo is added. So it should go to 12 volts, but it doesn't do it. Okay, we had some interesting stuff and some less interesting stuff. I say to you guys, thank you for watching and I see you the next time. Bye!